So hopefully in that short time I was away, you looked at the optimization agent and I saw a lot of questions and you're excited to use it. But the next step is how do I use that agent to really do what I need to? And that's unlock the power of scale. I want to do hundreds and even thousands of new pieces of content at true scale. We're going to pick up where we left off with this keyword table that had metrics and insights. And I want to show you that connection between our agent and grid. I'll take this keyword table, which is the setup for grid, and keep things clean and focused and select only the columns I need that provide the best context for my SEO workflow. I'll give Jasper a few seconds to spin up the grid, and in just a few moments, we're ready to go. I want to use grid to transform every keyword that the research did, layer in some audience and insights to create structured inputs, making it really effortless to build hundreds of optimized assets in minutes. So before we build out our workflow, let's look at the type of inputs available in Grid. We have text, dropdowns, and even Jasper IQ. Each one of these shapes how Jasper generates content. And that flexibility means that you and any company can customize Grid to your workflow, whether that's campaigns, personalization, or for today's example, SEO, GEO, AEO optimization. We're going to use all the keywords we found to guide Jasper when it comes time to generate content. Since we're creating for our company and we start with keyword data, you see that I started with a column for brand voice. This makes sure that everything we do sounds like our company's brand and is published ready. We just added audience because we want this to be specifically focused on IT decision makers. And now we're going to add one of our public apps, our most popular app, the blog post app. With Grid, apps can reference other columns. We can make sure that it pulls in that brand voice and audience and the keyword inputs to generate highly relevant drafts of content that we can now review after we finish with our Grid building. Let's go ahead and add another Jasper app. I'm going to add a LinkedIn social post here. And the goal here is to build out that workflow. Maybe I have a blog post app to generate that first blog post, but I also want to make sure I have a LinkedIn post that associates with that blog post after we've written it. I can go ahead and reference other columns, and let's go ahead and save this. And I'm going to add two more columns called prompt. Prompt is our way to have a simple but really powerful free-form way to add additional outputs. I'm going to add one prompt to extract key takeaways from our blog, and then a second prompt to personalized email for IT decision makers to use those takeaways. So you can now see that I'm creating different outputs that reference other columns in our grid and chaining these together because I want a blog post, then I want a LinkedIn post to reference that, but I also want to generate takeaways I can use in my email. Grid makes it really easy to preview results. We're in test mode now, so I can test the first 10 rows, make sure that every piece of content is on brand, optimized, do a quick QA check, and feel really good about the workflow that I built in a matter of seconds. We can go ahead and click into the content, make sure it's clean, optimized, and perfect. I'll scroll through, make sure everything looks good. I can either view it in a preview hover mode or this editor. And my whole goal here is to make sure that the content feels good. It looks good, and by the time I want to scale to hundreds, I feel confident that Jasper is going to do its job for me. So it looks good. I'm checking through a last piece of content, and this is where the true magic happens. I'll turn off test mode, click Run All, and start watching my grid create content at true scale. Jasper Grid right now before your eyes is transforming the optimization agent's insights into a living content engine, generating hundreds and thousands of content at scale that can help companies and our customers drive visibility, traffic, and revenue. So hopefully now you can really see the power of our optimization and agent and grid and how those two can really become a powerful combination for you and your SEO workflows.